Hey guys, we received this Sodsay 18-pack luggage tag with the bright colors and the luggage tags for the suitcase, bag tags, tape tags for kids travel on anywhere you want to use. We received this sample to test and try, so let's open this box and see what's inside. So this is a pair with the different bright colors with a name tag. Comes with this elastic plastic ties that you can use. So just hook it in and then use it on your bag or anywhere you want to use it. So it's very nice name tags, and it's a flexible bands. You have to just write in your name and everything details. So it's a nice thick card, and then put it in this cover and then put it on your bag or luggage or anywhere you want to use. So this is a nice strong material and very nice bright colors, as you can see: blue, green, pink, indigo, red, orange, and all these type of colors. And this one is also very useful in the luggage identification, like when on a tray, you can easily recognize your luggage with this color tags, like you know which tag, and it's very nice tag for the luggage.